Hi there, students. Crotchety. Okay, crotchety is an adjective. If somebody calls you crotchety, they're saying you're bad-tempered, you're easily annoyed, you're often in a bad mood. So, yeah, I'm pretty crotchety before I have my coffee in the morning. I'm crotchety if I don't get enough sleep. Okay, so you're crotchety. Young children get crotchety when they are tired. What sort of things make you feel crotchety? Yeah, maybe if you're hungry, you start to get crotchety. Yeah, maybe irritable, or as the Americans say, ornery. So a crotchety old man, that's a very nice collocation. That's definitely what you could call me, a crotchety old teacher. Somebody bad-tempered, somebody who's easily irritated. So let's try some synonyms, because I've got lots of them. If you're crotchety, you're grumpy, cantankerous, grouchy, like the grouch in Sesame Street. You're irritable, cranky, crabby, testy, peevish, bad-tempered, curmudgeonly. Yeah, that's me. Waspish, ornery, irascible, ill-tempered, petulant, crusty, fractious, short-tempered, snappy, touchy, surly, tetchy, querulous, crabby. Okay, so churlish, churlish maybe. Okay, so crotchety, cranky, disagreeable, stubborn, especially if you have suddenly get odd desires for things, or you suddenly fancy something strange. So yeah, he gets really crotchety. Yeah, we all get crotchety from time to time. I think it's probably something natural in human nature. Okay, so what would I give this word formality? I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you can probably use it anywhere. And there's an old word, a crotchet, meaning a whim or a fancy or a sudden desire. Now, more normally in British English, a crotchet is a quarter note, a musical note, a quarter note. But crotchet also has this other meaning. And then from that, crotchety, bad-tempered, somebody who gets angry easily. Yeah, somebody who is irritable and, well, yeah, they get angry about the smallest things. Oh, come on, stop being so crotchety. Smile and enjoy. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crotchety.